Hello everyone, welcome you all. Today we are going to learn different thing in vocabularies. So today's root word is phobia, means fear. So we are going to learn some vocabularies related to phobia. So let's get started. And first of all, welcome to our Jaisana classes. First word is gamophobia. Does mean fear of getting married. Okay, gamophobia means fear of getting married. Someone who is not interested in marriage, who is having gamophobia. We can say who is having gamophobia. The first sentence is he has gamophobia. Who he is having, he has gamophobia. He has gamophobia. Okay, and other side, irresponsible people have gamophobia, means someone who is having phobia or fear that he can't manage all the things after marriage, like he can't handle marriage life and official life. So he's having gamophobia because he's irresponsible people. Okay, irresponsible person who's having gamophobia. That's okay, fear of getting married. Next word is photophobia. If you are science student, you must know that photo means light. What does mean of photo? It does mean light, photosynthesis. Okay, photophobia means fear of light. Generally, girls cover face by mask or any cloth because they feel photophobia due to their skin or get stared. Okay, it does mean there's a girl who is having mask and any cloth to cover his face because she feels photophobia due to their skin, because they are very sensitive with her skin. Otherwise he can feel that someone is staring her, so that is why he is having mask to cover his face. He's having photophobia, does mean fear of light. Okay, next one is cyberphobia. Cyber means technical things are there, networking and internet things in their field. So fear of computer, and computer has all the things like internet and cyber things, cyber crimes, cyber like every domain. Okay, so fear of computer means cyberphobia. We people have dualistic nature, means we are having two mind. Generally we feel jealous that our friends have job, they just do working on computer and they enjoy, but when we start doing same work, that time we get irritated or bored. Why? Because we are having two mind, dualistic nature, that we are doing same work but we are feeling bored, we are feeling irritation. Does mean we are having cyberphobia. Okay, cyberphobia is not a fear, it is only illusion, because we have to work on computer. We have to work on computer, does mean this is our work. This is not fear, but we made it a phobia, so it became cyberphobia for fear of computer. Thanks so much for this word, because you made this word and I am explaining here. So I am a teacher, so I have to teach you, but do not have this fear, because it is not a fear, it is your it is your illusion, it is your lethargic nature, means laziness. Okay, next word is bibliophobia, and other side bibliophobia. Does mean fear of books. Improper teaching is biggest reason behind fear of book. Okay, so first reason is that improper teaching is biggest reason behind fear of book. Okay, due to it, student gets started focusing on coaching centers. Okay, they are following coaching centers, not following books. 1 minute, what had happened? Ah, due to bibliophobia, due to improper teaching, students are following coachings for understand all the things, getting understood all the things. So students are bibliophobic. So they are having bibliophobia. They are having fear of books. Next word is philophobia. It does mean fear of love. Philophobia is a fantastic movie. Actually, I had seen this movie and it is having a very relatable, relevant reason behind fear of love. So I suggest you to watch it, and now we have to learn it. So philophobia does mean fear of love. Philophobia is a fear of love or becoming emotionally connected with another person. It does mean philophobia. So sentence is here. The world best feeling. Okay, the world best feeling is love. You know very well, and we know very well. So the world best feeling got converted into phobia. That's very what to say, very bad, extremely atrocious for us. Very deplorable. This thing is very deplorable because we made it phobia. Love is best feeling of the world. It got converted into phobia, which is known as philophobia. So guys, you know, we made it. Love is best feeling of the life, but we made it phobia. That does mean philophobia of the world that we made. Okay guys, so that is a part of life. We made it, so we feel it. Otherwise we can use fear of love, but philophobia, oh my god. So till then, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this class, and please stay connected with Jaisana classes, and we will keep bringing new words, new things for yourself, not in English only. We will bring many things for your career, so you can subscribe our channel and you can learn many things at here. Till then, bye bye. Thanks so much.